You will never throw away avocado seeds after watching this. If you are struggling with slow growth, this simple hair recipe could become your new favorite DIY that can help transform your hair from thin to thick and weak to stronger. So you will be needing 1 or 2 avocado seeds, then proceed to grate them into small pieces. Avocado seeds are rich in antioxidants which help protect the scalp and hair from oxidative stress and everyday environmental damage. They contain amino acids, are healthy plant compounds, and minerals that nourish both the scalp and hair strands. Avocado seeds also help to strengthen the hair shaft, reducing breakage and split ends. And when used consistently, they can help to transform your hair. So we will also be needing onions, the red onions or purple onions or white ones. So use any type of onions you have, but for me I like using red onions because red onions or purple onions are rich in sulfur. Generally, onions are rich in sulfur, which is used to produce keratin, the protein that gives hair its strength and structure. Stronger hair is less likely to break, making it easier to retain length over time. Onions contains antioxidants and antimicrobial properties, which helps to make the scalp healthy and clean. So if you use onions consistently, you will notice a great change. If you have bald spots or alopecia, then you need to start using something like onions because they are powerful natural ingredients that can help reverse those problems. So I went ahead and cut my onions into small pieces, and now after preparation, I'm going to transfer each of the ingredients to a mason jar. You can also use anything that you have, a bowl, but make sure that it has something to cover. So I'm going to transfer this one here, and after that I'm going to proceed and add some water to the ingredients, about 1 cup, and I'm using hot water. I like using hot water whenever I'm infusing my ingredients. This helps them to infuse faster without wastage of time. So I'm now going to cover everything here and I'll leave it to infuse for about 8 hours. You can also extend the infusion for 24 hours or overnight. So after 8 hours, this is how it's looking like. You can see the color is different from before. Now the color is really nice, and that's because all the nutrients have infused in water. And now I'm straining out the liquid treatment. So if you guys are still watching this video and you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Also like this video and share so that it can help many people. So after straining out, I'm going to transfer the liquid treatment to an applicator bottle so I can proceed with the application. So I will be explaining different ways or methods that you can use this hairspray in order to achieve the amazing benefits that it contains. So just keep watching and enjoy the video. So this is how the treatment is looking like after leaving it for a few hours, because I don't apply it immediately because I had some things to do, and I realized that it had turned the color from yellow to something like golden brown, and it is also powerful. As it stays, also the potency increases. I noticed that. So I'm using this as a leave-in treatment on my hair. My hair is in twists, and I will be applying this without taking them down. So as you can see, I'm applying it starting from the roots or the scalp, and then I move towards the ends or to the ends of my hair, saturating each single section with it and making sure that I squeeze it in because my hair is thick, and when I spray it without squeezing it in, it may end up just sitting on top of my hair. My hair is also low porosity, so whenever I apply anything, a spray, water, or hairspray, I make sure to squeeze in so that it can penetrate to my sections. So once I apply or once I spray, I also take time to just do a little massage on my scalp so that my scalp gets oil moisturized. This treatment is beneficial, especially if you're struggling with hair thinning, and if you have weak hair strands, then using this spray will help to thicken your strands. Also, it will help to stimulate blood circulation. You know that sulfur, I already explained that sulfur is beneficial because it helps to strengthen the hair shaft, making your hair look feel stronger. If your hair is breaking unnecessarily, then adding something like onions to your hair care routine will help strengthen the hair strands. So um, if you also have some bald spots and alopecia, or your hair is thinning or breaking unnecessarily, then adding this treatment to your hair care routine will bring a significant change and you will notice a big difference. So after applying the treatment, now I'm just taking time to massage it in to my scalp. Massaging the treatment after the application helps to increase blood flow, and increased blood flow helps to stimulate uh, um, hair growth, or it is increased blood circulation, which helps to increase hair thickness. So do not forget to always massage your scalp after any application. Even when you are not applying anything, just um, find time to be massaging your scalp for at least 5 minutes, and it will help a lot. So once you're done with this, do not forget to follow with other moisturizing routine. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one.